This is the vintage jewelry haul slash auction preview unboxing for the week of July 26th and July 28th. That's Wednesday and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern. That's when we have our auction. And you can text me at 917-809-7250 if you want to pre-bid or get text alerts or silent bid when I go live with an auction or a sale or a pop-up. And there's no spam. It's my real phone number. These will be underneath the video on the shelf. This one is $15 and these are $20 and $25. First come, first serve. This I have been getting a lot of questions about. I need to get it appraised. I almost sold it and then someone wrote and offered $2,000, so I need to get it appraised before I sell it, and I will get to that as soon as my car becomes more reliable. This is the absolute treasure of the day, in my opinion. This is beautiful jadeite jade. Look at that consistent celadon color. A wonderful necklace. These are not testing as jade. Look at the detail. I'll call it Aventurine, and these are used as pendants with tassels hanging from them. So I will be selling them as is, and you can make your own pendants on cords, or they're good for children as bangles. This actually did not come from this estate. This came from the Extreme Collector estate, but I thought it went so well with this group that I'm adding it. This is carved and it's old and it is marked gold. So that is 14 karat gold. And also this. I will be listing these separately, but look how beautiful. Same era. See the clasp? Really lovely. Let me know what you think. If you want me to list them together and I hear that enough, I will consider it. This is wonderful. This is 14 karat gold, beads and filigree clasp, and graduated old rice pearls. Beautiful ones too. This is Amethyst. I don't know what to say about this. It's extremely good amethyst. It's fancy cut beads. I only saw one like it once before, and it was recently. So who knows when something like this will happen again. Look, no windowing. Beautiful, rich amethyst. African amethyst color. Beautiful. This will be coming up. It is unsigned and it is more modern, but it is fabulous, and it is probably made by Haskell or private label. They do a lot of the Haskell company still makes private label for a lot of contemporary brands, so there you go. I loved it. That'll be coming up. This is not in the order of the auction. The order will be in the description below the video. This will be coming up. Oh, and these I forgot about. These are all little sterling silver and crystal little posts. So we'll do something fun with these. Maybe we'll do offered at with a lottery for $5. This little crystal dish will be coming up. Someone said it was a pipe. I love it. That'll be coming up at auction. This is sterling silver and white gold, tiny bit, and diamond. So lovely. Here it is on the inside. So pretty, right? This is jade. This is beautiful. Too small for an adult bangle, but again, can be a pendant, maybe with a brown silk cord and tassel, or a child's bangle. Ah, that sound. Listen. Don't you love that? The sterling silver love bracelet, vintage, puppy hearts, love letters, and a Rolo link chain. Beautiful. The Kennedy coin, 1964. This looks so good on. These are so cool. I will be including the collar with it. I believe it's sterling silver. I will check it before the auction starts. The Austrian crystal, gorgeous, circa 1980s signed necklace. And this also is in like new condition. Beautiful. This gold is a really good color. That yellow gold crystal, very nice. I have one myself that is all gold that I will never sell. This beautiful thing, a lot of people are saying that it is a particular artist that I can't remember right now, but it will be in the description below the video. Look how beautiful. I would keep this if I could, but you can't eat jewelry. Speaking of which, the magnets are available underneath the video if you still want to enter to win the jewelry casket with the black pearls and the Art Deco pin. This is Jade. This is real Jade. That's a wonderful piece. That will be coming up. The fun crystal drops with the little bezel sets. Beautiful, beautiful necklace. Nice length. The somewhat important Cloisonne tiger eye necklace. Pretty rare, beautiful. Also, all of these wonderful purses are going to be coming up this week. It has the tag on it. So cute. Look at the dimension. This one, very cool, sort of 1970s clutch. You can tuck the cord inside. These are all going to start so reasonable. This gorgeous beaded knit bag with the unusual nice beads. These don't feel like glass. These feel like something good, but I'm going to just start it anyway. And then the fun summer sack. Look how great with the knots. Okay, very thick padded handle. The thicker the padding, the better the quality, as they say. That'll be coming up too. And then lastly, the Disney signed a lovely little vintage piece that will be coming up, as well as lots of fun and surprises. So stay tuned. Thank you for clicking like, and I'll see you at the auction. Bye.